Coming up on Tunnel Hill. Big old hill where they put an old tunnel. Do you know when they put that tunnel in here? When they throw that tunnel in here?
Yeah.
When did they do it?
Oh, there's like probably the like 50s or something.
There's been billions of tons of coal hauled through this tunnel. Maybe we'll get lucky and the train will come by. Woo, it got cold. Temperature really drops right here. About 20 degrees difference in a couple steps.
Yeah. Not bad. Probably like 50 degrees.
A little cracked. Got water dripping. Probably walk up here to where it opens up and turn around unless you want to give them a call and have them come down and pick us up. Okay. I've never seen that no trespassing sign at the school. That's public property. That's kind of weird. Public property can't be private. There's no fishing allowed. It's a public river and public property should be allowed. Oh yeah. Yeah, after walking and sweating. Yeah, it's a good 20 degrees cooler in here than out there. What are those, chairs?
Yeah.
What the hell? Any bodies over there? Somebody brought school chairs inside the tunnel. And if the train comes while you're in here, there's this little thing here to the left you can crawl in.
Oh, yeah.
That's the safety thing so you don't get killed. Hit the light. Yeah, you want to get in that sucker when the train's coming. These, yeah, so you can stand in it when the train goes by so you won't get killed. Ooh. This old thing needs some work, don't it? Big old cracks. Oh, that'd be loud. Oh, and here you'll go deaf if they hit the horn. Oh, we're almost 2/3 of the way through it, 3/4. Turn around. Light at the end of the tunnel. Autofocus. Yeah. That'd be a great place to stand and film, but the bad part is you go deaf in here. Takes about 4 minutes to walk through this tunnel. That's gonna be a long video. I don't really like to make long videos, but hey, it's pretty cool. See the old patchwork on the top. Pretty solid. It's a tunnel. Oh, there you go. Jesus loves. The creep clowns in the tunnel. And let there be light. Alright. You see where they squared out the base? in through the mountain. Well, thanks for tuning in. This is Tunnel Hill up in, is this Baxter or what is this right here?
Ross Point.
This is Ross Point, Kentucky, in Harlan County. Thank you.